This is a movement demonstration video for event 4 at the 2016 FTME, row, ruck, rope, and rig. 3-person teams may divide this labor any way they want to. For the guys' teams, it's 120 calories of rowing. For the women's teams, 99 calories of rowing to start. 3, 2, 1, go. The first athlete will then approach the rower and row. The teams can divide this up any way they want to, but once 40 total calories are rowed, the teams will then advance the rower. You can move it now, Randy. Thank you, sir. 40 calories have been achieved. We move the rower from the start line to the first advancement line. Anybody on the team can pick it up from there. Teammates can divide this as they desire also. Once 40 calories for a gentleman's teams, 30 calories for gals' teams are achieved, the rower will be advanced again. Tape markers will indicate the next line. In this team effort, the teams are free to determine who rows, when, and how much. That's great. And then after the final calories are rowed, the rower is going to be advanced one last time. Up next is what we call the ruck, or the buddy carry. The buddy carry starts from the white platform here, and the minute the rower is set to the final position, this is a little bit beyond the final position, but that's okay, that buddy carry may begin. The buddy carry is going to be a grand total of 300 meters of distance for all teams, guys and gals, RX and scaled. Starts from the white platform. The 300 meters is out to the baton bucket, 50 meters out, and they're going to bring the baton back the final 50 meters. 300 meters total is 3 times out to the end and then back. The buddy carry may be done anyhow, by the way. It could be a farmer's carry as demonstrated here, a piggyback carry, wedding night carry, any other invented carry. The baton goes into the bucket. That's 100 meters. After 300 meters are achieved, first teams first. Whoever gets back here gets their choice of ropes. Grand total of 12 rope climbs. For the purposes of this video, our gentlemen are going to show 1 rope climb per person. The rope climbs start from the floor, and they go up to the tape mark. A little hard to see in this video, but as long as the hand touches above that green tape mark at the top of the rope, it's a good climb. We strongly advise that you do break the fall and control the descent to the bottom for safety purposes. However, it is not required. In this 13-minute workout, with the time remaining after you finish the rope climbs, you're going to have 2 teammates holding a handstand hold at the wall, 4 feet on the wall, AMRAP bar muscle-ups for the RX divisions. 2 good reps. They've opted to rotate after 2. Once all 4 feet of the resting athletes are on the wall, bar muscle-ups may begin. From a hang to finish over the top of the bar. As long as the athletes are in the handstand, reps may commence and continue. You got it. Skip this one. Rotated out. So then, if we're looking at the scaled men's division, instead of bar muscle-ups, we're looking for chest-to-bar pull-ups. Go ahead to the handstand, guys. 2 feet, 4 feet on the wall. Chest-to-bar pull-ups, making chest contact from a dead hang, a complete hang of the elbows straight, chin to bar. chest to bar. Awesome. And then Randy, for scaled women, chin over bar. Let's see a couple of those. Let's see some chin over bar pull-ups. Butterfly is acceptable. We want to see chin over at the top for scaled women. One last thing. So it's an AMRAP of as many of the muscle-ups or pull-ups. Chest to bar for scaled men, chin over bar for scaled women. One last thing. So it's an AMRAP of as many of those as possible. For spacing considerations, whichever teams finish the rope climbs first choose a station to work from, and they take 2 adjacent stations. So for example, we have a white tape mark to a white tape mark here, indicating 2 adjacent stations. Next, from the tape with an X to the tape with an X are 2 more adjacent stations. Teams can have any 2 adjacent stations of their desire, but if muscle-ups or pull-ups are happening on the one station, in between the uprights of the other station is where the handstands happen, and vice versa. If we're doing pull-ups or muscle-ups on the lower bar, the handstands happen here between these uprights.